What's the meaning of command module? Command module. Command module.
Command module. Command module. The command module is a key component of the Apollo spacecraft that was used in NASA's Apollo program between 1969 and 1972. It was designed to be the core of the spacecraft during the journey to and from the Moon, serving as the cockpit for the astronauts and providing life support and guidance systems. The command module was also responsible for the re-entry and landing of the spacecraft back on Earth. It played a critical role in the success of the Apollo missions, enabling humans to travel to the Moon and back safely.